Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Here, do you have multiple WhatsApp accounts that you only want to access on one device? Well, WhatsApp technically only allows one account per device. There is a workaround you can try in this video. I will show you how to use dual WhatsApp on your iPhone. Let's go. Sometimes you may want to use two different WhatsApp accounts and access them on the same mobile device. WhatsApp follows one big rule, where a single phone is only allowed to be signed into one WhatsApp account, and there is no specific account switching feature unlike other platforms. Therefore, I recommend a workaround you can try. If you search online, you will probably learn that you can install third-party dual messenger apps. However, these apps may violate WhatsApp terms and service, which could ultimately result into your account being suspended. Therefore, the safest way that I recommend is to install both WhatsApp Messenger and WhatsApp Business apps on your mobile. If they are not already on your device, install them from the App Store or Google Play Store. When both apps are installed, you can decide which specific number to use to sign into WhatsApp Messenger and Business respectively. In my case, I will use my regular account with the Messenger application and spare my number with the Business app. Although you can't use the same phone number with each app at the same time, you can switch between them. Note that if the phone number you are using was originally registered as a Messenger account, it will automatically switch to Business when you sign into the app. So before you start, I recommend that you back up your data to avoid losing any chats from your account. To do this, open WhatsApp where your other account is currently signed in, then go to the settings, tap proceed to chats, and then open the chat backup configuration page. If you have auto backup enabled, you probably already have the most recent backup. Otherwise, click backup now to manually backup your chats after backing up your data. Open WhatsApp Business and tap agree and continue to accept the platform's terms and conditions. Since WhatsApp Messenger is installed and signed into an existing account, the Business app will initially recommend signing into the same number. Skip the part, click use a different number and enter your mobile number. And that's it. Just like this, you can use two different WhatsApp on your phone. Thank you guys for watching this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe.